Hello, welcome back. I'm Abhishek De Silva, an undergraduate of the JAMA Institute for Advanced Technology. Welcome back with the project named eShop, and today we're gonna have a tour on the online store by the name eShop. So then let's start by creating an account. Here let's give the name as Sahan, and then the last name as Kumar, and then let's give an email address as and also a password and a mobile number, and then let's click on this sign up button. Here it displays the message as registration successful, and then let's move to the sign in page, and here let's again tap the email address and also the password, and then let's click on this remember me option, and then let's click on this sign in button, and we can see that we redirected to the home.php file or to the home of the eShop, and we can see that here is a sign out button. If we click on this sign out, we can see that the relevant user was signed out from the eShop. So then let's again move to sign in page. So here we can see as we tick the remember me option, now already the email field and also the password field has filled with the information that we have provided earlier, and then let's again sign in, and this is the home of the eShop, and here we can see is a basic search and also here's the advanced search. So let's search by a keyword such as the beads, and let's click on the search, and we can see the products with the text as be listing here. And if I search by the letter I, and when I give the category as the mobile phones and then search, we can see the products are listing which are belong to the mobile phones category. So then let's move to this advanced search page, and here we can search some product in an advanced manner. Here we can search the product by giving a name, and we can see that when I search by the letter I, several products are listing, and we can give the relevant category. If I give the category as cameras, no any product. If I select the category as desktops and laptops, we can see that two products are listing with the letter I. If I select the brand as Apple and search again, we can see the same result is viewing here as the two products are Apple iMac products. So then we can search here from the condition also. If I search from the used condition, both of them are used. So then let's click on this brand new and search. We can see there are no any items that belong to this desktop and laptops category and which have the brand as Apple and which are in brand new condition. So if I again search by a letter A, here we can see the relevant products are listing. Here we can give the price from and price to. If I give a price from as 1000 and a price to as 65,000, if we search, we can see two products are listing with a price of 6,000 and also price of 24,000. And then through this sort by selection, we can select the options such as price low to high and price high to low, several options. If I click on this price low to high and search again, we can see that the products are listed from the lowest price to the highest price. There are several pages here. In the last page we can see it has obtained the highest price products, and then if I move to the first page again, and here we can sort by the high to low option, and if we search again we can see that the products are listed from the highest price to the lowest price. So then if I search the products by the quantity or from low to high, you can see the products are listed from the lowest quantity to the highest quantity. We can see the lowest quantity is the out of stock, it means the 0 items available, and then in the fourth page you can see there are 80 items as the highest quantity. So then if we sort the products again by the high to low quantity, and we can see that the products are listed from the highest quantity to the lowest quantity. Here we have obtained the highest quantity as 80 items again, and if we move to the last page, and here is the lowest quantity. So then this is the process of the advanced search. If I again moved to the home of eShop, and here we can see our products are listed under the categories. Here under the mobile phone category, the mobile phones are listed, and the desktops and laptops categories related items are listed. Likewise, the remaining items are listed under the related categories. So then we can see the three buttons, that's just the buy now button, the cart button, and also the watch list button. So then let's add this item to the watch list. By clicking on this, we can see that the page was refreshed and the color of this icon was changed to red color. If I move to the watch list page, through this drop down we can move to several pages. Here we can see here's the watch list page, and in the watch list page the related product, and here too we can see several buttons such as the buy now one, cart, add to cart, and also the remove button. So then let's click on this remove button to remove this product from the watch list. Now the relevant product was removed and we can see the empty view of the watch list. If I click on this start shopping again, I'm redirecting back to the home of eShop. So then let's add this product to the cart by clicking on this button. Here we can see a message displayed as new product added to the cart, and if I click again on this icon, we can see a message as cart updated. It means the quantity is updated when we click on this button again. So then let's move to cart by clicking on this icon, and here we can see the product that we added to our cart is listed here, and here too we can see a summary of the cart, and also here too we can see a summary as a requested total. So here we can see if we move the cursor onto the image of the product description is displayed, and also here we can increase the quantity and also decrease the quantity. And here in this the summary part, we can see here it display the number of items in the cart, and also it display the total amount, and also here display the shipping. And as I didn't update the account yet, the shipping is not displayed here. We can remove the relevant product by clicking on this remove button. So then we can see a message is displayed as the product removed from the cart. So here we can see the empty view of the cart page. So then through this start shopping button we can again move to the home.php file. So if I click on the buy now button here, we can see we move to the single product view page, and here if I click on this product image, we can see that the product image is displayed here in a large view. And here we can see under the related items the related products are listed, and also here display the product details, and also here display the feedback given by the relevant customers who have purchased this item earlier. So then let's click on this buy now button, and here it displays a message as please update your profile. So then let's update the profile at first. So then here we redirected to the profile or the account page. Here then let's give the address as Colombo, and let's select the province as Western Province, the district as Colombo, and also the city as Colombo 7. And then let's give a postal code as this, and here we are not able to change the gender and also the registered date, email address, the password. We are able to change the name, last name, and also the mobile number. So then through this button we can show the password and also hide the password. And so then let's update our profile image through this button. I will use this image, and we can see the relevant image is displaying here. And also then let's click on this update my profile button. Here we can see the page was refreshed and the relevant information is displayed here. So then let's again move to the previous page, and here now we can purchase the item. Here I will use the Visa card, and through this sandbox, and I will copy the Visa card number, and then let's click on this pay button, and we can see that a message is displayed as the payment completed, and also they are displaying the order ID. And then we redirected to the invoice page. In this invoice page, here it displays the product name and also the price, quantity, and also total. And through this print button we can print the relevant invoice. I will cancel this, and let's again move to the previous page, and here let's move to the purchase history page. So then in the purchase history page, we can see the relevant item that we have already purchased is listed here, and through this feedback button we can give a feedback to the relevant product, and here we can choose the feedback type, and I will choose the positive, and I will type a feedback as the product is highly recommended, and I will click on this save feedback button and display message as feedback saved. So then if I move to the single product view of this product that we have already purchased, so in the feedbacks here we can see the feedback that I have given to this product. So then in this drop down we can see an option as messages. So then let's move to this message part. Here we can see it's in a messaging page. Here we can select a receiver. They listing the customers or the users who have registered to this eShop, and I will choose this Chandima Pereira user, and I will send him a message as hi, and it is the message as message sent. And then in the sent messages we can see the message that I have sent. So I logged from another browser by giving the details of this customer called Chandima Pereira. So if I move to messages of that relevant user, we can see that a new messages arrived from Sahan Kumara as hi. So if I reply to him as I received your message, and here to receive message as message sent, and in the sent section we can see the message that I have sent is displayed. So then if I move back to the message page of the user called Sahan, if I refresh the page we can see a new messages arrived by the user called Chandin Pereira. If I click on this we can see the conversation is listed here. And let's again move to the home page, and here we have an option to contact the admin. If I send a message as, and we can send the message, a message is displayed as the message send. And if I again move to that contact admin part, here we can see the message I have sent is listed here. Let's try another option. In this drop down list we can see there is option as my products. So if I move to my products, so there are no any products by the user called Sahan Kumar, and if I click on this add product, and if I add a new product under this home appliances and without giving a brand and a model, I will give a product title as the microwave oven, and I will select the product condition as brand new, and I will select the color as black, and also I'll do the product quantity as 10, and also the cost per item as 150,000, and the delivery cost as 500, and the delivery cost out of Colombo as 1000. So let's give a product description as and then let's add the product images. Through this we can select 3 product images. The relevant product images are listed here. So then let's click on this save product button. Here display message as the product saved successfully, and the page was refreshed. And if I moved back to the my products page, here we can see the relevant product is listed here. So then if I click on this update button, we can update the relevant product. And if I change this product title as microwave oven imported, and if I update the quantity to 20, and then if I change the delivery costs within Colombo as 1000 and out of Colombo as 2000, and if I click on this update product button again, you can see that the product was updated with the delivery cost within Colombo as 1000 and also the out of Colombo as 2000, the product title as we change. So here we can see an option to make a product deactive. Here we can deactivate the product and activate the product. Now we have deactivated the product, and we can activate the product again through this option. And here we can see there's a sort section in the my products page. We can sort the products in my products page by the newest to oldest, and also the oldest to newest, high to low to high, brand new and used. As we are not having many products in our my products page, I will move to another account. Here we can see I move to the another account, and we can see the products are listed here. And if I search the product by the name I and click on the sort button, we can see the products which have the letter I in the product names are listed here. So if I sort this in advance by giving the newest to oldest option, and we can see that the products are listed from the newest product to the oldest product. And if I choose the oldest to newest and click on sort, we can see that the relevant products are listed again according to the oldest to the newest. And if I choose this used option and click on sort, we can see that the products are sorted under the conditions of the oldest, newest and the used, and also the products which have the letter I in their product titles. So then I'll again move to the account of Sahan Kumar, and under the home appliances we can see the product that we uploaded is displaying here. And these are the features that we can see in the home page or the customer side or the client side of the eShop web application. So if I move to the admin side, so then let's move to the admin login. Here we can go to the admin login through the sign up page. In this there are only one admin, so we have to give the relevant email of that admin. And if I click on this send verification code button, we can see that a message is displayed as please take a look at your email to find the verification code. And here we can see the verification code, and I will copy that and I'll paste that here. And then let's click on this verify button and be redirected to the dashboard or admin panel. Here in the admin panel we can see here displaying the daily earning and also the monthly earnings, and also the today's earnings as 2 items, and also the monthly earnings, total earnings and total engagements. And here we can see the most famous seller and also the mostly sold item is displayed. And here we can see several options given to the admin as to manage the users in the eShop web application, and also to manage products which have registered under the web application. So then let's click on these manage users and we redirected to the user managing page. And here we can see the users who have registered in the eShop web application is listed here. And here we are able to, or the admin is able to block the relevant user and unblock the relevant user. And if I block the user called Chande Pereira and the Mihiran Abesekare, and we can again unblock the user by clicking on this unblock button. And here if I click on the profile image of the relevant user, we can see that the messages or the conversation with the relevant user is displayed here. Here it is displaying the messages sent from the customer or the client side under the option of contact admin. And if I move to the messaging model of the customer called Sahan Kumar, and here is the relevant message sent by the Sahan Kumar. And if I send him a reply as, and then I click on the send button, display a message as the message sent. And if I send a message to a person called Chandima Pereira as how was the service provided, and the message is sent. And if I again click on that, we can see that the message that we send is displayed here. Let's again move to the admin panel, and then let's move to this manage products page. Here we can see all the products which have registered under the eShop online store is listed here. We are able to inactivate the product and also to activate the products. Here if I click on this block button, display a message as the iPhone 13 used has been deactivated. And if I block this iPhone 8 also, we can see the relevant buttons have changed to unblock. And if I click again on this unblock button, we can see the message as iPhone it has been activated. And then if I moved the cursor onto the image of the relevant product, we can see that the description or the details of the relevant product is displayed as the price and also the quantity, the relevant seller, and also the description of the relevant product. And then we are able to manage the categories of the products here, listing the product categories that are already existing in our online store. Through this add new category, we are able to add a new category. So then let's add a new category as furniture, and I have to enter my email address, and then let's click on this save new category button, and we can see that it is displaying a model to enter the verification code. Here's the verification code, so I copied it and I pasted here, and I click on this verify and save. Here we can see the relevant category is displayed here. And then let's get back to the admin panel, and so then let's move to the selling history page. In the selling history page, here we are able to search the invoice by the invoice ID. If I type the invoice ID as 5, we can see the relevant invoice is displayed here. And we are able to search the invoices from a time duration. Here I will see the invoices from the 15th February and to 15th March. And if I click on this find button, we can see the relevant invoices which are belong to the duration of this period are listed here. And here we are able to change the status of the invoices, and we can see these two invoices or these two products has been delivered, has already delivered, and then this product has been dispatched for shipping, and these 4 orders are still under the confirm order state. So if I click on this confirm order button, we can see that the state is changing to the packing state. And if I click again on that, we can see that the state is changed to the dispatch state. And if I click again on this, we can see that the state is changed to the shipping state. And also if I click on shipping state button again, we can see that the button changed to the delivered. And if I click on delivered, nothing happens. So this is the selling history page with features such as searching the invoice ID and also searching invoices from a time duration, and also changing the status of the invoices. So if I discuss about this forgot password feature, so then let's give a email address, and I'll not give a password, and I will click on this forgot password link, and we can see a message is displayed as the verification code has sent successfully, please check your mail. And we can see a reset password mail has arrived, and I copied the verification code and I pasted the verification code here, and I will give a password as 123467, and I will reset the password and display a message as the password updated successfully. So then let's give the relevant password and click on this sign in button. We can see be directed to the home page of the shop. So here we can see the category that we added from the admin panel is displayed here, and I log in from the customer name Chandima Pereira to show that the messages that sent from the admin side. Here is the message that we sent from the admin panel with the text as how was the service provided. So these are the features that we can see in the online store by the name eShop. So then we will meet again in another video, and bye for now.